Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday. It's one of my favorite days of the week, and I know it's one of yours too. So Mystery Box Monday is when I order a mystery box and then I open it for my channel. So today's mystery box is actually two different ones, okay? And here's why I did it. So I have two Maxim mystery boxes, and then I have three Herrschner's mystery boxes, okay? So I have two of the Famous Maker mystery boxes, and I have one of the baby mystery boxes, okay? And I want to compare what you get in each one, all right? So I thought that would be a really fun thing to do. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the Herrschner's, since we don't typically see Hershner's mystery boxes on the channel anymore, and that there's a reason why. They used to have a willow grab bag that was like one of my favorite mystery boxes to open, and for some reason they discontinued it, and so now they have like these Famous Maker ones. They also have a sock one, I think, and some other ones, but basically when I saw that they had these, I decided, oh, okay, I'll get some. And just like Mary Maxim, they come in these clear bags. And so, and they did also include a, let's see, what is this? Is it a crochet or is it a, yeah, it's a crochet thing. So I just wanted to say that. So if this bothers you, I have scissors, so you're not going to have to listen to a whole bunch of rustling bags. So I'm going to go ahead and open all three of these with the scissors right now so that I can do it all at once. So before I show you everything that's inside this, I just wanted to let you know that this Hershner's cost, this Hershner's Famous Maker mystery box or bag, whatever you want to call it, cost $16.99. Okay, and then the baby one cost $16.99. All right, and then the Mary Maxims cost about $30. And with both of these, I used a discount, so I didn't pay that much, but just wanted to give you the price range. Okay, so so the Hershner's, we've got this Afghan pattern, which I think is pretty. And let's look at the other. So we have this Red Heart soft. I'll open it. So we got this Red Heart soft. Oh, it is pretty soft. Wow, that is soft for Red Heart, definitely. It's a weight 4. This is called Waterscape, I think. And it's a 4 weight. Let me see. What's the yardage here? 204 yards each. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 of those. And then it looks like I got more of those. Okay, yeah, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of these Red Hearts soft. Okay. And then I got another Red Heart soft. Wow, I'm actually really surprised with how soft this is. I had no idea that Red Heart had a line that was this soft. That's amazing. And this one is, again, weight 4. Obviously it's white, but that's actually what it's called, is white. And, what's it called? How much yards? Oh, 256 yards. So that's what I got in one of my Famous Maker bags. And then in the other Famous Maker bag, I have more Red Heart soft. So I have this red one, and I'm just assuming that's going to be the same amount. Yeah, 256 yards of this red one. I got 2. And then I got 4. I'm going to open it. Then I got 4 of the same thing, only it's in this, oh, this grape color. All right. You can see that. And then I got 2 more And this isn't the white one. This is something else. This is off-white. That's actually what it's called, is off-white. So I got from the Famous Maker bags from Herrschner's, I got nothing but Red Heart Soft, but one of them I got this kind of sweater pattern. Let's see if that is a... So the sweater pattern is a knit, and the Afghan pattern is a crochet pattern. So I'm going to move what I got from the Famous Maker into the box there. And something I can say about this Red Heart yarn is, well, first off, I don't ever put Red Heart yarn in my mystery boxes because I know that it's not very popular. But well, like not the Super Saver or the ones like that. I might put an Unforgettable, something nice in there. But anyway, if I don't use that, or if I look at it and I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, my son, the school he goes to has a crochet and knit club, so I can always donate it to them. So that's cool. Suppose I could put it in a giveaway, but I try to also keep nice things in my giveaway as well. So now we're going to move on to the Hershner's Baby. So again, it's the same cost, and it looks like I got a whole bunch of purple stuff. And I got a crochet pattern for this round rippled Afghan. I think I said Afghan. Afghan. It's an easy one, and again, it's crochet. Let me see. Can you see that? Is there a glare? No, it's just light. Okay. So what I got was 3 balls of this Baby by Hershner's Fairy Tale cotton. Now this cotton is, it's like the sugar and cream cotton as far as how soft it is. So I'm not certain why they call it Baby, and it's got a little bit, let's see, is that a bit, no, it's chain spun. So let me kind of show that to you a little bit, if you can see that. So it's chain spun, and I got 1, 2, 3 of those, okay? And then I got 2 of this Yarnspirations Bernat Baby Velvet. And they're both in the orchid color. And it looks like each one of these has 492 yards in it. So that could make a baby blanket. All right, so that's what I got from Hershner's. Again, each one of those bags that I opened were, I think it was $16.99. I told you. And did I get a good value? I actually would not buy that again. It's not like that I was disappointed. It's just they don't have enough like variety and well, yeah, that was the main thing. Not enough variety. And also, I don't think I'm going to be using very much of that yarn. But now, we can go to the Mary Maxim bags and do a comparison. So are you ready for me to open this Mary Maxim bag? I'm excited. So apparently, there is a November mystery box giveaway with some... Okay, so there's 5 $100 Mary Maxim gift cards, and winners are going to be randomly selected December 6th. I'm assuming that this is... I don't know exactly, like, if this doesn't seem to have a number on it. But I guess I'm going to keep a hold of that. Maybe there's a number like in the bottom of it. So the first thing that I got is this Karen Simply Soft marled yarn. I really like that color. It looks very like 70s. far as the color. I'm gonna open it up. Or actually, oh, there's one that's out. So I got 4 of them in this color. So that's that kind of 70s color that I was talking about. So it's got orange, white, and brown together in it. It's very fall colors, actually. Very nice. And yeah, I was actually thinking about how I could make a nice hat out of that. So I got 4 of these. Let's see. I got 2 of these Mary Maxim glimmers. Now I've been wondering what this feels like and what it looks like. It's about the same softness as the Red Heart Soft, so it's pretty soft, and it has these like silver specks in them. So it is a glimmery yarn. So this is a Mary Maxim brand. Let's see how much yards are in here. 4 weight. 191 yards in these, so I got 2 of these in this gray color. Oh, I got some more of this mottled yarn. Only this one's a different color. So here's some more Caron Simply Soft of that mottled yarn. Here we go. We've got that. This one's white and brown. And let me go ahead and hold both of them up so you can see the difference. See? So we've got 2 different browns there, so you can see that. I can't remember if I told you, but this is 240 yards in each one. This one's called Taupe Marl or Taupe Marl, and this one is called Blush Marl. It could be that this color that I'm seeing is orange might actually be a pinker color. I can't tell. It looks orange to me. And then I got another one, and this one's just all by itself. Looks like a grayscale one. Let's see what they're calling it. Gray Heather Marl. And I just got 1 ball of this one, but I really like this. I love Caron Simply Soft because it's just my favorite. It's just my favorite discount yarn. I love it. Love it. Okay, and then I got a couple of these soles by Gina. And these are supposed to look like, I believe it's merino wool with that halo on it. And then ooh, boy, I don't really like the way that hemp yarn feels. So this is a Patton's Hempster. Get it? Because it's like hipster, only it's made of hemp. 190 yards of this. Weight 3. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a weight 3? This looks like a weight 2. That looks like a 2 weight to me. What do you think? I don't know. But anyway, that's it. It is really rough, fibrous. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, Bernat Softy Baby Cotton. Look at that lime green. Everybody on this channel knows how much I don't like lime green. I'm sure it has its place somewhere. Oh, they're calling it Granny Smith, like the apple. So then I got one of these little croquets or croquettes. I don't know which way to pronounce it, but this one's the grayscale one. And these are little red heart cakes. It's got 239 yards in it. It's kind of like thread, although it's a 1 weight. It's kind of like thread, but it's basically, if you've worked with those cotton kings are actually thicker than this. So I think that those cotton kings are supposed to be a 2 weight anyway. So yeah, that would make sense. So I got some patterns. This one is a knitting pattern. It's a blanket. And then this one is a toddler's hoodie, and it is a crochet pattern. And of course, I sometimes I don't tell you guys this, but it comes with these bags with the handles on top of it, and these are really, really great for storing yarn in. So just wanted to say that. So let me go ahead and look in this one and see if I got anything different. Okay, so I didn't get anything different, but I did get, sorry about my dog. I think there might be a delivery. Oh, I know what it is. Our neighbors, they have a concrete truck in their yard, and she's just so excited about it. They're getting a new driveway, and she cannot believe it. She's so excited. So it does look like there's some different yarns in there. Sometimes I think, you know what, I'm not even embarrassed because you guys know me. So I got 2 more of those glimmers with the sparklies. And then I got 2 more of these Gina's, Azul or Azul. I got the same patterns. I got another lime green, softy baby cotton, and that label is kind of messed up. I don't really like that when the labels aren't nice, but I don't really care. And then I got the same taupe marls. Then I got the same, I guess this was called blush. And then I got a 4th one of these blushes. So I guess I did get exactly the same, because here's that Hempster. And here's that one that was like a grayscale one. And here's my croquette. So now you guys have a way of comparing the Herrschners with the Mary Maxim mystery boxes. So hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing video. I hope you guys are doing well. We've been having some major issues with our internet, and it's been so difficult for me to upload videos as a result. On top of that, you know, it's a holiday week, but I'm making videos and get them up to you. I know that I can always go to the local McDonald's that has free internet, and you know, maybe I could upload it there. But just so you know, I'm frustrated with my internet company. So just know that I'm just as frustrated as you are. If you've been expecting some videos that haven't come yet, just know that I'm going to be posting videos. I cannot make any promises, but I am going to be posting videos as quickly as I can. I do have a giveaway that's going to be going up hopefully today. I want to make it go up today, but I have a giveaway going up in the next 24 hours. Let's just put it that way. And so be sure to check out that giveaway soon. If you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, you might think about subscribing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this yarn, especially like the difference between the Herrschners and the difference between the Herrschners and the Mary Maxim. I'm always really happy with my Mary Maxim bags. I think that there's been 1 or 2 times I've been like, but I'm usually pretty happy with them, and I'm happy with this, all of this Karen yarn. I love Karen yarn. So that's all I can think about for now. So that said, thank you for watching to the end of this video, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.